You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Your boy Ladishi back on another video, and today we're doing my self tour. Okay, this is hopefully this is the last one I'm going to be doing, and it's just the updated one and stuff like that. And yeah, so I'm recording this on my phone because I don't know, just want to get it done once and for all. And so apologies for the mic quality is not going to be great. And yeah, let's just get the tour quickly done with. So pretty much let's start with what you see when you first walk in. So the first thing you see when you walk in is this all painting, really nice all painting, and I got this a while back. And here is like the toilet and bathroom and stuff like that. Don't need to see any of that. And yeah, let's just move on. As you can see, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 monitors and air conditioning and stuff like that. So this place isn't really done. It used to be a studio, and then it's now being converted into like a 1-bedroom apartment with a kitchen, and like I've got my kitchen over here. It's not done as well, so I don't want to see any of that. And just again, it's livable right now, and a lot of things are done, and so this is where I live now. And yeah, so obviously you're wondering what does one man have to like do with 6 screens. So let me explain. So this is my wife's gaming setup, and she just uses this for work, and turn off the fan so it doesn't affect the audio. Hopefully it's good. So she uses this for work, streaming, gaming and stuff like that. And it's a 3060 laptop, a 240Hz screen, and a secondary 75Hz display for like live streaming and reading chat and stuff like that. So obviously got my old microphone and Logitech G502 mouse pad. It needs a bit of a clean. She uses this as a camera. She uses her phone as a camera for when she's live streaming. So this is just a stand for the camera. This is her headset, the HDMI Omni says my old headphones, and just a chair and stuff like that. And moving on to mine, just you got my wireless keyboard I use when I'm lying down, or when I'm lying down on my chair, and just want to be lazy and just use wireless keyboard and stuff. This is my 144Hz monitor. The reason why I haven't sold this, or why I use it for, is because I do want to get a console. And although obviously I like the idea of putting OBS here and just having a dual monitor for when I'm editing, I have a huge timeline I put on here. And then obviously this is my 4K camera, Sony a6400. It's got a dummy battery, so it never runs out of battery. Connected to the computer, and so I use it as a webcam for live streaming, and I also use it for recording videos. But I'm not using it today because I can't be bothered. My phone is just good enough. And so yeah, I want to get a console for this monitor, since it's a 144Hz monitor, and console on it. Obviously next gen consoles would work really well with that. Give me that 120Hz display and stuff like that. So yeah, that's one reason why it's here. And this is my main monitor, my 240Hz gaming monitor. It's got yeah, it's really insane. I love it. It's just really powerful. I just love it. I love this monitor. This is my keyboard, mechanical gaming keyboard, wireless G502 mouse, mixer. So I've got the AT2020 audio, microphone, condenser mic, Logitech G Pro headsets, and yeah, this is the iPad I use for my thumbnails and my graphic design. This is my gaming PC, which is packing some heavy weights. And obviously I forgot about this monitor right here. This is my 60Hz display from Acer. It's just there for like pretty much reading chat and stuff like that, which is the main point of it, and maybe for coding sometimes. And yeah, let me just talk about this PC real quick. So the PC's got tons of fans obviously. It also has the i7-9700K CPU, 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, 1.5 terabyte SSD and HDD, also 500 gig SSD, 1 terabyte HDD. It's also got an external 500 gig I think it's an SSD actually. I'm not sure. I think it might be an SSD, or I'm not sure. I think it might be HDD actually. And extra, so making like 2 terabytes. And I have an RTX 3090. So obviously I know that's overkill for this setup. I do intend to upgrade the other parts of the setup as well, like the CPU, add more RAM, upgrade the power supply and stuff like that, maybe the cooling as well. Well, yeah, that's gonna be later, but for now it's really good. I like what it does. I kind of want to just have this PC for the next 5+ years. And then this is my 4K monitor, so I use this to just watch Netflix and TV and like play games and while I'm like laying down before I fall asleep and stuff like that. And then moving on to the cloud ceiling, TikTok cloud ceiling, I did this myself. I installed everything myself, the LEDs and everything. It looks pretty nice. And also my L symbol right here, this is my iconic L symbol you see on the streams. I did this myself as well. And yeah, it's just a bed where we sleep. And I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, so if there's anything I've missed out, I will probably leave in the description down below. So if you do enjoy the video, leave a like. If you have any questions about where I got my stuff and how to get yours as well, leave a comment down below, and subscribe for more videos as I will be uploading more regularly now. Okay, all right, peace.